Welcome, in front of me I have REALME 6i, and today I'll show you how you can install iPhone keyboard. Go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Green Apple Keyboard. We are going to use this application from Arvin Apps, so let's install. Right now we can open, click to enable in the settings, tap on the switcher, click activate, go back and go to the switch input methods. And we have to switch from the Gboard to English Green Apple Keyboard. Click finish and take a look right now when you open our keyboard. As you can see, it looks very close to the iOS one. And basically that's all, so that's how you can make it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.